You just walked into your garden, and something's been nibbling your lettuce like it's at an all-you-can-eat buffet. Is it caterpillars? Aliens? Your neighbor's rogue guinea pig? You Google it, but every bug looks like a green thing with legs. You ask Facebook and get 14 different answers and one conspiracy theory. Meanwhile, your garden is under siege. Introducing the StrongEcho AI Garden Pest Identifier. Snap a pic of that mystery bug and boom, instant ID with solutions. No PhD in entomology required. How the AI Garden Pest Identifier works. Step 1. Open the app. Step 2. Take a photo of the pest. Step 3. Get answers. What it is, what it's doing, and how to stop it. Step 4. Continue the conversation with your personal AI gardening buddy and get any pest or gardening question answered instantly. Get the AI Garden Pest Identifier from StrongEcho.com and turn your phone into a bug-busting genius. Save your garden, your sanity, and your salad. AI Garden Pest Identifier. Use cases to inspire you. Use Case 1, the sneaky aphid attack. Not sure if those tiny green dots are aphids or just lettuce freckles? Snap, scan, boom. Confirmed aphids. The app tells you how to evict them naturally. No bug murder mystery required. Use Case 2, the late-night tomato worm surprise. Found a giant green caterpillar the size of a toddler finger at 10 p.m.? No need to scream. Snap it. The AI Garden Pest Identifier IDs it as a hornworm and gives you nighttime safe solutions before it eats your whole crop. Use Case 3, friendly versus foe bugs. Ladybug or leaf assassin? Not all bugs are bad. The AI Garden Pest Identifier helps you spot garden allies, so you don't accidentally squish your plant's personal security team. Why you need to deal with garden pests as quickly as possible. Pest damage can wipe out weeks of work in days. This AI Garden Pest Identifier isn't just about bug facts. It's about protecting your plants, your food, your peace of mind. Get the AI Garden Pest Identifier from StrongEcho.com and make your garden a drama-free zone. Got a garden pest horror story? Drop it in the comments. I need a laugh. StrongEcho. AI gardening tools that work hard so you don't have to. You can grow it.